Want to know which AI tools are actually putting money in people's pockets in 2026? Let's break it down. Number 3. Midjourney. Turn AI images into cash. People are selling art online, creating book covers and NFTs and more. Some creators make hundreds to thousands per month just from AI-generated art. Number 2. Jasper AI. This tool writes ads, emails, blogs, and even YouTube scripts for businesses. Freelancers are getting paid $500 to $1,000 per project, all thanks to AI. Number 1. Chat. From creating scripts, tutoring, or offering AI services online, people are earning $3,000, $25, zero per month. It's not just a chatbot, it's a full business partner. The future is here. AI isn't just smart, it's profitable. Which of these would you try first? Comment below and hit subscribe for more AI money secrets. You don't want to miss 2026's biggest opportunities.